Hello and welcome to City Trekker. My name's Adam and I'll be your guide as we aim to find the right gear for the right task for you. Today we're going to take a look at the de-chauffe Business Musette bag. Let's check it out. Full disclosure, de-chauffe did send this bag for this review. No money exchanged hands. They don't get to see this before it goes live, and all thoughts and opinions are my own. And just so you know, if a brand sends me a product that I don't like, I'm not gonna do a review of it. I wanna like something at least like 80% if I'm gonna spend my time with it and if I'm gonna do a review of it. And I more than 80% like it. It is nice and thick and soft and comfortable. I also don't speak French, so I apologize for any pronunciations that I get wrong here. de-chauffe was founded by Alexandre and Thierry in 2009. They named their company after the French jacket worn by factory workers and locomotive drivers. They make professional bags and products that are simple, stylish, and practical. And their products are made in a quaint little village in the south of France. This is their Business Musette bag. It comes in 3 different colors, and this is the camel color. It's about 16 liters, will fit up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro, has a waxed canvas and leather accents. So let's get into this bag, starting with the outside. This is their camel color. The waxed canvas is an 18-ounce Licks Wax Serge canvas from British Millerain. This is the front where we gain access to the bag using this clip. And as you can see, we've got leather accents here and on the handle and the sides. On the sides, we have this leather accent and the hardware attaching the shoulder strap. And it's really the same on either side. On the back, we've got a thin pocket with a magnetic button. The bottom is this waxed canvas, and the top has this leather handle that buckles shut. Let me try this on for you. The strap is nice and just wide enough for a bag of this size. So you can wear this crossbody or off of one shoulder. I normally wear it crossbody, and I am 6'3", 180 pounds. Let's get into this bag, and before we do, I'd love for you to triple click for me. Click the like button, subscribe button, and ring that bell to check out all our future reviews. Let's get into this bag, and as we do, I will do a loadout along the way. Now, to access the main compartment, you do have to undo this button on the handle. This hardware has been really nice and easy to use. So we open it here, and we have 2 pockets on the front. I've got my full focus pocket planner in one and my journal in the other. And this journal cover is from Hitch and Timber. And the pen is titanium from Big Idea Designs. So decent sized front pockets here. Then we've got the main compartment, and this is about 15, 16 liters of space. I've got the Track Mini Lagan. This is a pouch using their tartan material. I've got some cables and chargers and small books in here. I've got a packable rain jacket. This is from Outdoor Research, the Helium 3. This is a pouch from Track in their tartan material. Charger, hard drive, cables. This is the Mistress using the Track tartan material. And inside, I've got my basic EDC items. This organizer is from D-Made Bags. I've got my Quip gum, Anchor battery charger, Fulton and Rourke cologne, chocolates, pen, Advil, chapstick, gum, and my iPad fits in here as well. I've got a sling strap on the back pocket here. I've also got a small camera bag. This is an old school Kodak bag, and it has little furry stuff on the inside, really soft. And I use this to carry my X100 Mark VI. Very old school and very practical. On the front, we've got a small pocket, and I've got my Randolph sunglasses in there. And there's a felt sleeve for the laptop. This is my 13-inch M4 MacBook Air, and it's a large sleeve. As I mentioned, it'll fit up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So this is the main compartment with nothing inside. And this pouch on the front side will actually snap out. It is signed and dated by the person that made this bag. So a fairly large main compartment with minimal organization. Now, I also want to point out this pocket on the back. It has a magnetic button, and this is just a small, thin pocket, good for magazines and that sort of thing. When you're carrying the bag, you want to put this handle on, and so you want to fasten this button. This sometimes can take a little bit longer than I want it to, but I appreciate the comfort that comes with it and the nice leather accents. So that's the bag. It has kind of a photo reporter style to it, an old school heritage vibe to it. I like it for what it is, and it's perfect for when I'm pulling out that tweed blazer and want to go for the professor look. And let me compare this to a few bags in a similar size. The Wotancraft Scout is about 9 liters, so it's definitely smaller, but has that heritage vibe. It's got some solid thick hardware, has some leather accents on the front, the side and the back. Is a little bit of work to get into, but not too bad. And it's intended to be a camera bag, but can be a briefcase as well. I've had this for maybe 2 years, and it's one of my favorite bags. This is the 10-liter Track Bairn. It's one of my favorite bags, and it comes in lots of different kinds of colors and materials and things. This is the Eco Pack or Ultra material. I love the Cobra buckles. It also has 2 pockets in the front and a simple main compartment on the inside. This is also from Track. This is the Portobello laptop briefcase. It's 12 liters, will fit up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and has a lot of features. There are 2 front pockets with side access, a back flat pocket, luggage pass-through, a front flat pocket, and the main compartment with a laptop sleeve, and 2 thin handles at the top. So if you like the Track Bairn but want more organization, this is a better option for you. If you'd like a more economic option, the Alpaca Elements Tech Brief Pro is a great option. There's a front flat pocket with a little bit of organization, a main compartment with a lot of organization and a laptop sleeve, and there are shoulder straps stowed into the back of this so you can convert it into a small backpack if you want. And this will fit up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and it's about 15 liters. If you'd like a briefcase that's a little bit more business style, this may be the one for you. This is Maverick & Co.'s Manhattan briefcase. Now this version is 8 liters. They have a larger one that's almost 12 liters. This has nice firm leather and great material, and a little bit of organization on the inside with a laptop sleeve. And finally, another very premium bag. This is the Wilburo Revival Satchel. It's almost 16 liters, will fit up to a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and features this really nice leather. Magnetic buckles on the front, and a silver UVX40 interior, which I really like. A front pocket with a little bit of organization. This organization panel goes in that front pocket. And then just a big main compartment with a laptop sleeve on the back. And it's a thick felt on the laptop sleeve. So just a few other options for you to consider. So that is the de-chauffe Business Musette Bag. It's got a great waxed canvas, vegetable tan leather accents, and I love the heritage vibe of this bag. And links to everything you saw in this video in the description down below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, please click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks so much and have a great day. Take care.